In this help video, we'll be looking at running reports and pulling data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to describe how reports are split up. Now, reports are split up between what an administrator sees, you, on your dashboard, and also what a commuter can access. And so the way to access administrator reports from your dashboard, go to Reports, the menu, click on Zap Reports, and it'll pull up all the different reports that are available to you right here. So these are the reports that are available. Now, if there's a report that you need that's not in this list, there's a number of reports you can choose from, and we usually set those up with you when you sign up for the Zap system, but we can always add more. So I'm going to show you also what a commuter can see. When a commuter logs onto their account, they're going to have access to a couple different reports as well, and these are chosen by you. So for example, the default is the commuter report. It shows what their Zaps, miles, bikes, CO2, all that information, but that also shows on their main dashboard page as well. And they can go, in this case we have set it up so you can see their station Zaps, where they're getting their Zaps, and their Zaps by month. So often the commuter reports have the title My Zaps, or it starts with My. But let's go back to the dashboard reports, what you'll be using as an administrator, and let's run one. Let's say we want to have a report that we want to email all the users who have ridden, all the commuters who are students that have ridden in 5 times in the month of April. So what you want to do is we want to pull up the report that you want to use. So in this case, we want to email them. So I use the main commuter's email merge, and that'll have all the information about the users, and so something you can use for doing your emails. And I want to filter, I only want students. So I've set up some filters beforehand, and you can set up your own filters. If you want to see how that's done, go to the filtering help section, and there's also a video talking about filters. And I select students. I select my date range. So let's go this month, which would be April 1 to April 30th. And so there I have my date range, and I see only students, and I want everybody with at least 5 Zaps. Now this is sometimes easy to to miss, but this little box down here, you set that to the number of Zaps that you want to filter out, and that means what we've done here now is we've filtered out only students who have ridden at least 5 times in the month of April. And that is how you do a report, and using filters and date ranges and number of Zaps.